What's up, everybody? Welcome to Queer Girl Straight Skates. Queer Girl Straight Skates is a channel where you can go to for all things roller skating. I've got reviews, tutorials, and general roller skating lifestyle content. So if you are a new roller skater and learning how to skate, or you've been a roller skater for a lifetime, I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel. I put out new videos every Tuesday. Today, I am doing the hashtag roller story. Moxie put out this challenge, and so I'm gonna do it today. My name is Rebel Rousher, and my pronouns are she, her. The way I found roller skating was I was honestly just looking for a new hobby, something to fill my time, and my friend said that I should join roller derby, and I had never even heard of roller derby besides the movie Whip It, and she said, hey, I think that you're really gonna like this, you should just try it. So I went to a roller derby orientation, and the next day I bought roller skates, and the next day after that I was at a roller derby practice, and that's how I started roller skating. Where do I see roller skating taking me in the future? I see myself roller skating all over the world. So my goal is to help as many people learn how to roller skate and know that they can roller skate and that roller skate can be freedom for them as possible. I think that roller skating is so much more than just a hobby. For me, it's like a life force, like it's a lifestyle, and it gives me so much power within myself, and I hope that in the future that I'm able to take this joy and power that I feel from roller skating and help other people to feel that as well. Skating has completely and entirely changed my life. It's helped me to be active. I never was active before at all. I've always been a little bit of a nerd, and so my activities have never really been that like outdoorsy or like moving my body a lot, and so it's helped me to not only overcome a lot of body image issues that I had, because roller skating essentially helped me to understand that my body was worth something besides just being aesthetically pleasing, and it has helped me to find the love of my life. It has helped me to find so many of my friends and an activity that I love, and just I feel like it's given me freedom in a way that I've never felt freedom before. My passions within skating include challenging myself to do as many different types of things that I possibly can on roller skates and really upping my game. And outside of skating, I really like DIYing things, often doing Pinterest fails, and just trying to, live my best life with my pup and Shove. Now that you know a little bit more about me, I want to know more about you. Moxie challenged me and a bunch of people to do this hashtag roller story, and now I'm going to move that challenge on to you. So tell me about yourself, tell me your roller story, and use hashtag roller story. Thanks for watching this episode of Queer Girl Straight Skates. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me if you relate to any of the things that I like, and tell me a little bit about yourself too in the comments. And if you want to get to know me a little bit more or support me, you can join my Patreon. I put out new vlogs every week for my Patreons, or you can go on my Etsy and get yourself some stickers or patches. And most importantly, cheers to the queers!